Hi there, students. Ardent, an adjective. Ardently, the adverb. Ardency, the quality, or ardour as well, the quality of the noun. Okay, if you say that somebody is an ardent supporter of Liverpool, you mean they are full of enthusiasm. They're full of spirit. They have extremely strong feelings about something. So yeah, they are ardent supporters of their team. He's an ardent supporter of Boris Johnson. Yeah, he was an ardent opponent of the Gulf War. So enthusiastic, strong, somebody who has strong feelings about something. Yeah, she loved him ardently, enthusiastically, keenly, avidly, strongly. Yeah, with enthusiastic passion. Yeah, he's an ardent educator. He's an ardent supporter of the free market. He supports the free market ardently. Yeah, she's an ardent feminist. Okay, she shows strong feelings towards it. Yeah, he was an ardent pacifist. Yeah, an ardent lover, passionate, strong feelings. Yeah, uh, uh, an ardent desire to do something, very strong enthusiasm. Yeah, he follows my videos ardently. Yeah, you could use this as well to say shining or glowing or burning, but that sounds very literary. The ardent eyes, the ardent reflection of the sun on the water. That sounds pretty rather literary though. Okay, but ardent, full of enthusiasm. Yeah, his ardor for this subject is quite amazing. The heat that he feels for it, the fervor, the passion that he feels about it, the zeal, yeah, the fire. He's got a lot of intensity. Yeah, this is the opposite of apathy, being apathetic. Yeah. I'm an ardent believer in a 10-mile walk before breakfast. No, I'm not. Well, but it's a good example though. Okay, and he has an ardent longing to return home. Yeah, he's an ardent cinema goer. Yeah, he's an ardent opponent of this policy. Keen, zealous, avid, keen as mustard, enthusiastic, really, really fervent about it, fervid, yeah, almost rabid if you like. Um, uh, he showed ardor in his opposition to these proposals. Yeah, my ardor against this topic is almost unmeasured. So ardor, formality, ardent. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. It sounds a little bit literary. He's an ardent Man United supporter. I suppose you could just about use it informally, but I think probably better in something semi-formal, either spoken or written. And you could also use it in a formal writing as well. And then let's see, this comes from Old French, Ardent, which itself comes from Latin, from ardens, from the verb ardeo, I burn. Okay, so ardent is talking about burning. Okay, so he's an ardent supporter of this. He has this burning passion about it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ardent.